Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So, you want to become a web developer in 2025? Amazing! But when you look online, you're probably hit with a million different tutorials, frameworks, and opinions. It can feel overwhelming. What do you actually need to learn? What's a waste of time? Well, worry no more. In this video, I'm going to break down the absolute best, step-by-step roadmap for web development in 2025. We're going to keep it simple, relevant, and focused on what the market needs. Theory shows what's possible, projects show what you can do. Your first step in web development is to learn its three foundational technologies: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. They are the essential first step in your learning journey. HTML is the skeleton of a web page. It creates the basic structure and content using simple tags. CSS is the styling for a web page. It makes HTML look good with colors, layouts, and designs. JavaScript adds interactivity to a web page. It makes websites dynamic and responsive to user actions. The second step is to learn essential developer tools such as React, Vite, Git, and GitHub to build interactive applications. React, it is a JavaScript library for building interactive user interfaces using reusable components. Vite, it is a fast build tool and development server that makes setting up and working with React projects much quicker. Git, it is a version control system that helps you track changes in your code. GitHub, it is a platform to host and share your Git repositories online for collaboration. The third step, you have to learn the TypeScript. It is JavaScript with strict syntax for types. It helps catch errors early and makes code more reliable. The fourth step is to learn the Node.js, MySQL, and Django to build server-side logic and work with databases. Node.js, it lets you run JavaScript on the server, enabling you to build full-stack applications. MySQL is a popular database system that stores and manages structured data using SQL. Django, it is a high-level Python web framework that enables rapid development of secure and maintainable websites. Building projects to turn knowledge into skill. They prove you can solve real problems and create value. Theory shows what's possible, projects show what you can do. Remember, the goal isn't to learn everything at once, it's to master one step before moving to the next. That's the complete roadmap. Want to see these concepts in action? I've built over 150 real web development projects on my channel, from beginner to advanced. Go check them out for inspiration and code walkthroughs. If this helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point coding guides. What's the first project you're building? Let me know in the comments.